Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to eBay. So first, you may want to head over to Printify and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Usually, you should see an option here that says connect your store and you can proceed by clicking on connect now. But in the left panel, just click on my new store, then just click on add a new store and you will be redirected to this page. And from here, we're just going to click on eBay. And the step one is to create your store. You can start by creating a new store, and all you have to do is add in your store name, or you can also use an existing Printify store. Then next, just proceed by clicking on connect. The next step is, of course, to create an eBay account. But if you already have an existing account, you can check this box that says, I have an eBay account. Then proceed by clicking on continue. A new window will then pop up, prompting you to log in to your eBay account. Just enter in your login credentials or sign up or sign in using these platforms. You will ask to review and grant application access. So all you have to do is read this terms and conditions, then proceed by clicking on agree and continue. The next step is set up a payment method. So just follow this step by going to your eBay account, then go to payments, add payment method for selling fees. And once you've done this, you can just tick this box that says I added a payment method on eBay and proceed by clicking on continue. And lastly, confirm eBay business policies and connect. Make sure that you read and understand the required eBay business policies and check this box, then proceed by clicking on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!